What's up everyone? If your Windows PC feels slower than it should, or your system just doesn't feel as fast as it used to, this video is for you. Today we are talking about background services. Now don't get me wrong, some Windows services are essential. Your system needs them to function properly. But there are also services running 24/7 that most users don't need at all. Services that mainly benefit Microsoft, not you. So in this video, I will show you some background services you can safely disable on Windows 10 and Windows 11 to help improve performance, reduce background activity, and even increase privacy. Let's get started. Most of what we will do today happens inside the services window. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc. Click OK. This opens the Services Manager, where Windows controls everything running quietly in the background. First up is Telemetry. Microsoft claims Telemetry exists to improve the Windows experience, but it constantly collects usage data from your PC and sends it back to Microsoft. And even if you turn it off in settings, Windows often re-enables it after a reboot or update. To disable Telemetry, find Connected User Experience and Telemetry. Right-click on it and then click Properties. Under a startup type, click for a drop-down and then set it to disabled. You can either click Apply or you can just press OK to apply. Now scroll down a bit and find Device Management Wireless Application Protocol. Disable this one the same way. Just right-click and then click Properties and set a startup type to disabled. Then you click OK. This will result in less background CPU usage, fewer background tasks, and improved privacy. Next is Program Compatibility Assistant Services. This service constantly scans your installed programs looking for compatibility issues, especially older software. If you keep your apps updated manually, which most people do, this service is completely unnecessary. Right-click on it and click Properties. Click a startup type for a drop-down and then set it to disabled. Then you click OK. Your system will feel more responsive, especially when launching apps. Next up is Windows Biometric Service. Do you sign in into Windows using face recognition, fingerprints, or Windows Hello? If the answer is no, then this service is just wasting your system resources. Right-click on Windows Biometric Services, click on Properties, set a startup type to disabled, and click OK. But if you use fingerprint or face login, do not disable this one. Next up is Windows Search. This one surprises people a lot. Disabling Windows Search does not remove the search box. What it does is it turns off search indexing, which constantly scans your files in the background. On many systems, indexing causes high disk usage, slower performance, random spikes in CPU usage. To disable it, right-click on it and then click Properties. Set a startup type to disabled and click OK. If you still want your search results to be done incredibly fast, use a tool like Everything, which is much more faster than Windows Search. Next up is Windows Error Reporting Service. You've probably seen this one before. A program crashes and Windows asks, send error report to Microsoft. Sending those reports doesn't help your PC. This service constantly monitors apps and runs in the background, waiting for crashes to happen. Right-click on it and click Properties. Click a startup type for a drop-down and then set it to disabled. Then you click OK. Next up is Diagnostic Policy Service. This service attempts to automatically diagnose and fix Windows issues, but in reality, is slow, ineffective, and rarely fixes anything meaningful. If you are a power user who prefers manual troubleshooting, this service can safely go. To disable it, right-click on it and click Properties. Set a startup type to disabled and click OK. Next up, let's disable unnecessary third-party services. That is, you will be cleaning up services that doesn't belong to Microsoft itself. Close the Services app. Again, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig. Press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the System Configuration window. Now click on the Services tab. This is a combination of Microsoft services and third-party services from software you installed. To disable third-party services, head down and check the box for Hide all Microsoft services. This is very important. It ensures you don't accidentally disable essential Windows components. Now you will see only third-party services from your software you installed. You can either go ahead and click Disable All from the right bottom corner, or you can also manually uncheck services you don't need running all time. Once you are done, click Disable All, click Apply and OK. Then you can go ahead and then restart your PC for the effect to take place. If a program stops working after reboot, you can simply re-enable a service. Click OK, then restart your PC normally. That's the end of this tutorial. If this video helped you boost your PC's performance, hit that like button and share it with someone who is struggling with a slow system. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.